This is Bob from the Police 911. We're out here in Clackamas, and there's 4 deputies and 3 patrol cars that I know of. Okay, there's another one. That looks like a canine unit. Are you guys gonna be running a dog track? Are you gonna be running a dog track? Okay, because I noticed you got a canine unit. That's why I was asking. Just trying to play safe for you and me. Yeah. All right. What was all that about?
Says Mr. Lee, your friend, is a registered sex offender.
Oh, really?
Is it a kid's case? Don't worry, I won't post that.
All right.
Warrant service at his home. Not exactly sure what's going to happen. Yep. Trailing behind a little way. Watch it, Bob.
All right. Okay.
If you want to take videos and stuff, hang out over there.
Okay.
If they shoot at us, you're going to be in our backside.
Yeah.
We'll help you if they do that, all right? Clackamas County Sheriff's performing a warrant search at a mobile home here. In Clackamas, Oregon.
Is it clear?
Yep, all done. Thanks.
Yep.
All right. How you guys doing?
Good.
All right.
No, these are cop blocks. If you don't want them on the video, you can tell them to leave.
Please go, please. And
Hey,
it's a
the private
mistake
citizen
anyway.
is asking
Go.
you guys to leave, so can you please respect her wishes and not film her? Please.
She's asked you to stop filming her. The private citizen.
A private citizen is asking you to stop recording.
I'm in public.
What?
Am I not in public?
This is a private citizen who's asking you to stop recording.
Okay.
I'm asking you man to man to not be a jerk about it.
Diana, Lynn, Townsend. We already got it. Okay.
My bad, my bad.
There's people inside now asking for you to go away. They don't want you filming them.
Okay.
They're respectfully asking you to respect their wishes to walk away and stop filming.
Right.
They have a right to do that.
That don't matter. Don't matter. You guys can do what you want to do. My girl just stopped by. They're not going to leave. They can stay. It don't matter. I said they're not going to leave, and it doesn't matter. What's the dog's name? Marco. I don't care.
Looks a lot healthier than Steve Mixon's old dog, Gladstone PD.
Ask your questions.
You guys want to drink some beer with me, boys?
Not on duty, unfortunately.
I just got home.
Probably because the owner.
Well, what you're looking for, we already know.
Okay.
She wanted in Washington, a warrant outstanding like $200,000.
Can you give an address?
The what? No, we don't.
You don't know her, right?
No, my daughter.
Close name.
What?
My daughter is an authority
What?
on it. We were going to call warrants on.
Oh, how'd you say my name?
I really apologize.
Yeah, close.
No, it's not.
How do you say it?
Yes, my daughter
Yeah,
came
yeah,
by
no,
and
no.
showed me everything on it.
Okay.
Someone got on me like I do. I had my jaw broken by someone who got 4 wounds 2 years ago, and I've got metal plates in my body.
Oh, yeah, we live right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you guys ever find him?
Yeah, we arrested him for it.
Well, what did you guys arrest him for?
For, I believe, like an assault.
Assault 3? I had assault 1 on him. He shattered my jaw and shit.
Well,
His name is George.
Yep, I know.
Yeah, that black guy. Give me 5 minutes with him. $125,000 to put my jaw back together.
Mr. Lee and Mr. Ponte. Lee on the left and Ponte on the right.
Yeah. No, we are good. Well, you're already.
All right, guys.
All right. I'm on the first. All right.
Taking up enough of your time. We're going to head on out.
Thank you.
All right, later, Dory Bear.
Yeah. Come on, guys, get out.
I guess they're calling me Mr. Lee. That's actually complimentary to me, because I thought for sure every cop in the area knows me.
Point, point, point. Point, 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 point. That goes just to one of you guys. Point. Point, point. Point, 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 point. Point, point. Point, 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 point.
So officers, humor me. Which of you guys know my name? You know my name?
Huh?
You know my name?
Yeah, I do.
What is it?
I'm not gonna tell you. Bob.
Right.
Hey, are you all current on your sex offender registration?
You guys know my name?
Your mom.
Yeah, all right. Well, I tell you what I'll do. I'll make sure I go out and film your personal license plates in Clackamas County. How's that sound?
You what?
I'll go out and film your personal license plates in Clackamas County. How's that sound?
Okay. Why does that matter?
Why? Well, maybe the public wants to know what license plates are the cops that's driving around and stuff.
It's right here.
No, your personal car.
It's yellow?
Yeah, your personal cars.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good luck finding my personal car.
Oh, okay. Don't worry, I'll find it.
Alright. Sounds like a threat.
It's not a threat, it's a promise.
Alright, have a good day, Bob.
All right. It's not a threat. That's why Portland stopped doing their shit, because they got tired of me filming their personal license plates as they were coming and going to work.